You don't need After Effects for this. That glowing scan with a car-changing color, you can pull it off in Filmora, and even in CapCut. Let me show you how. All right, starting in Filmora. I've already got my footage in the timeline. Step 1. Duplicate the clip and drag it onto the second track. Select that top clip, go to AI Tools, and choose Smart Cutout. Now brush only over the car body. Avoid the tires, windows, lights, and grille. Take your time here because this step makes or breaks the effect. If you slip up, just grab the eraser and fix it. When you're done, hit the track forward and backward buttons so the mask sticks throughout. Then save. There are actually two methods to change the car's color in Filmora. The first one is the Hue Shift method. Go to Effects, search Hue, and drag Hue Shift onto your masked clip. Now drag the Hue slider and watch the car color change. It's quick and easy, but the downside is you don't always get the exact color you're looking for. For example, orange isn't available on this slider. So here's the second method, using color curves. Delete the hue effect, then go to Color, Curves. Here, you can fine-tune each channel until you land on the color you want. It takes a bit more effort, but you get way more control. Now let's add the glow scan. Split the masked clip about halfway, or wherever you want the glow to end. On the second half, apply a circle mask. At the start, set the mask scale to 0. Move forward 10 to 15 frames and expand the mask outward. Filmora will keyframe that automatically. Add a feather of around 5 so it blends smoothly. Next, go back to AI Tools, Portrait Cutout, Human Outline. Set the outline top color to match your car's new color, and the bottom to white. Finally, search Glow in Effects and drop it on the clip. And that's Filmora done. Now, let's do it in CapCut. Start by duplicating the clip onto a second track and hide the first one for now. Go to Remove BG, choose Custom, and brush over the car body. Again, skip the tires, windows, lights, and grille. If you make a mistake, use the eraser to fix it. Once it's processed, unhide the bottom track. Now go to Adjustments and tweak the colors until the car looks the way you want. Next, open Mask and add a circle mask. At the start, set the scale to 0. Move forward about 10 to 15 frames, then expand the scale outward. Feather it by around 5 to soften the edges. Now go to Effects and search for Scan. Here's where CapCut really stands out. It has a ton of effects you can choose from, more than Filmora. For example, you can add this Blu-ray effect, which also looks amazing. But for this tutorial, we'll use the sci-fi scan effect. Drag the sci-fi scan effect onto your masked clip and line it up with your mask animation. And just like that, you're done. Which one do you like better, CapCut or Filmora? Let me know in the comments. Next, watch this video on cinematic effects to take your edits even further.